The construction sector is undergoing a digital transformation because of developments in technology. There are many examples of how modern technology is transforming the building industry today. Construction companies are using cutting-edge technology like artificial intelligence, AI, and the Internet of Things, IoT, to eradicate ingrained inefficiencies and low production. These incredible construction innovations will wow you. Number 7. Drones. The technology behind drones is advancing at a breakneck pace, and numerous construction sites are coming to significantly rely on the use of drones, aka unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs. According to estimates provided by Goldman Sachs, total investment in drone technology by private companies as well as governments would reach approximately $11 billion by 2021. When it comes to drone manufacturing, you can anticipate the commercial development of drones to reach approximately $10.9 billion by the year 2025. This is according to predictions made by industry analysts. In addition, it is anticipated that the global market for drones will expand by $21.01 billion between the years 2021 and 2025. The usage of drones can be helpful in the building and construction business in a variety of different ways. For instance, land surveyors are now able to do a job that would have taken them days, weeks, or even months in the past in a matter of minutes. There will be an increase in the number of construction organizations who are willing to publicly adopt the technology as a result of the several benefits it offers, including the savings of both time and money, as well as accuracy and precision. Number 6. Cloud and mobile technology. Many different types of businesses have already used cloud-based operating systems. You can look forward to storing large amounts of information and instantaneously sharing it with others thanks to the cloud technology that is being leveraged by mobile devices today, anywhere, anytime. Therefore, if you want your firm to remain competitive, you might discover that you need to employ a cloud-based business phone system that is simple to access. Cloud computing solutions can not only make it easier to store vast volumes of data, but they can also make that data accessible to project managers while maintaining its confidentiality in a remote location. After some time has passed, data analysis systems and associated devices will be able to access this information. The power to handle and store vast amounts of data effectively is just one of the many advantages offered by cloud computing technology. However, the latter advantage might be absolutely essential for businesses to fulfill their legal and ethical responsibilities. Number 5. Self-healing concrete. By the year 2023, it is anticipated that self-healing concrete will be utilized in the construction of homes, highways, and buildings. Imagine if modern technology could be used to address issues of concern such as the cracking of buildings and the deterioration of structures. Despite being in its infant stages, the technology has the potential to be an effective remedy for problems of this nature. Concrete is the most extensively produced and used material in the construction industry, accounting for 4.4 billion metric tons of production in 2021. As a result, many businesses all over the world will be keeping a close eye on the progress of this technology as it continues to advance. Number 4. More prefabrication, modularization, and eco-friendliness. You will see an increasing tendency toward the prefabrication of items that can be used in several trades. For instance, construction experts in Dubai were able to print a 3-dimensional office structure in around 17 days and then assemble it on site over the course of 2 days. You can anticipate cost savings from the use of prefabrication. You can save money on materials by purchasing them in large quantities thanks to your expertise in construction. The addition of time savings is another useful feature. Prefabrication is a construction technique that has been utilized by skilled workers on a number of the United Arab Emirates' most noteworthy projects, including the Dubai Mall and the Dubai Opera. Off-site building, also known as modularization, is another fascinating innovation in the construction industry. Modularization is somewhat comparable to prefabrication. The technology has the potential to produce structures that are on par with those that are traditionally constructed and offers the promise of more consistent quality as well as speedier construction schedules. Number 3. Robotics. You shouldn't be astonished if you start seeing robots at the workplace in the near future. No, It would not be a plot from a science fiction story. Rather, it would be an unavoidable reality. Due to the high level of precision and accuracy that robots can provide, we may anticipate that they will soon become a dominant force in the construction industry. There is a possibility that the initial investment in robotics will be quite significant. However, the advantages will make up for the cost. For instance, you might see robots laying bricks and tying rebar, or you might see man-operated construction projects coming to a successful conclusion. You may anticipate a more widespread use of robotics in the construction industry with the help of a variety of robots, including collaborative industrial robots, logistics robots, and others. Prepare yourselves then to welcome robots, as they will soon aid in jobs that would require a human worker to exert greater effort. Number 2. Building Information Modeling, BIM. BIM, a trendy trend in construction technology, promises to improve building process precision. With its ability to show project development in an open and highly collaborative environment, BIM will prove to be a game changer for the construction sector. Construction companies can benefit from the technology in a number of ways. It facilitates improved collaboration, increases resource management accessibility, and aids in maintaining communication among project participants. Because of advances in technology, key issues like overspending on the budget, problems with quality control, and delays in the project can be resolved. The most recent version, which is referred to as the 5D BIM, provides for more rapid project cycles, an improved understanding of the project's scope, and an increase in productivity. One of the well-known brands that has adopted the technology is the Dubai-based architectural firm Killa Design, which was a pioneer behind some of Dubai's most iconic projects, such as the Museum of the Future. Killa Design is also one of the well-known architectural firms that has adopted the technology. The release of some of the most advanced building information modeling, BIM, software systems, such as Autodesk BIM 360, Revit, Navisworks, Tekla BIM Site, BIM Object, and BIMX, is scheduled for 2023. Because of all the benefits that can be gained from utilizing BIM, there is no doubt that there will be an increase in the demand for the application of this technology in the year 2023. Number 1. Augmented Reality, AR. The construction business is one of the many that is being influenced by virtual reality and augmented reality. While augmented reality, AR, superimposes a computer-generated image over the user's field of view, virtual reality, VR, can entirely supplant the real world by simulating it in its entirety. AR is progressively taking the lead from VR as an emerging trend, because to the advantages it offers in comparison to VR in the construction business. The market share for the business was $9 billion in 2019, and it is projected to skyrocket to an astounding $150 billion by the year 2030. Consider the possible effects that would result from looking at the world via the lens of a camera. The user is able to study the components of the equipment or observe display alerts when there are concerns nearby. Additionally, augmented reality systems are able to display essential information on the equipment. For instance, the user can receive messages via the AR lens that can paint surfaces to warn them of high temperatures or the presence of electrical currents in order to prevent mishaps. This can help the user avoid potentially dangerous situations. Both augmented reality, AR, and virtual reality, VR, can aid in the detection of coordination and design mistakes as structures become more complex. In order to promote cooperation between consultants, designers, and construction teams, AR can also show BIM data through a next-generation visual interface. In order to discuss projects with clients, AR can also be employed. What do you think about our video? Please let us know in the comments area below. If you enjoyed this video and would want to hear from me again, please subscribe and turn on the notification before leaving. Thank you for watching us.